I don't know what you want me to answer on Ndlozi, because I never said anything about Ndlozi. So do not bring your Shebin gossip to me and want me to glorify some toilet discussion. I'm not part of that. EFF has never said anything. If we've got anything to tell you, we'll communicate it. So when you gossip at Kitchener's in Bramfontein, and then after gossiping at Kitchener's, you want us to be part of Kitchener's discussions, don't involve us in any of those things. We don't know what you're talking about. And if we had anything to communicate to you, we would have said it. We have never hidden away the reasons why we removed the former deputy president from KZN and those that were deployed with him. We had a meeting of our own as the EFF. We made assessment. An assessment we made out of our own now direct interaction with the ground in KZN and the complaints we have been receiving from KZN led to the removal of the former deputy president and others. You know, to show you that there was something wrong that the deputy president was doing with other colleagues in KZN, everything that was reported to us was extremely perfect. So they mastered the mechanism to meet the requirements, even if those things do not exist. There was a point where we wanted people to the stadium, to Moses Mabhida Stadium. And the numbers we received were extremely more than the numbers we received for votes. And that on its own just told us there's something wrong. And then we did not intervene after. We intervened before. Unfortunately, we were very late. And that's why after we intervened, the SG was able to pull a mother of all matches before the elections in eThekwini. Because that time we're now reclaiming our organization and trying to reposition it. Unfortunately, we're out of time and we had to go to the election.